You only need 5 basic ingredients to make restaurant-style marinara. No fancy stuff, no secret chef skills, just this. 2 tablespoons olive oil, 4 garlic cloves, finely sliced. 1 can, 400 grams, crushed tomatoes. 1/2 teaspoon salt, 6 fresh basil leaves. 1/2 teaspoon sugar. Heat 2 tablespoons olive oil in a pan on low-medium heat. Add 4 sliced garlic cloves and sauté for 20 to 30 seconds until just golden. Don't burn it. Pour in 400 grams crushed tomatoes and stir immediately. Add 1/2 teaspoon salt and mix well. Add 1/2 teaspoon sugar to balance the sharp tomato taste. Optional but makes a big difference. Simmer on low heat for 10 minutes, stirring occasionally so it doesn't stick. Tear 6 fresh basil leaves and add them in the last 1 to 2 minutes. Stir gently and let the sauce turn thick, rich and glossy. If you had to remove one ingredient from this recipe forever, which one would it be? Comment it. I'm curious what you think ruins marinara the most.